Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by switching your device to flight mode to stop cellular radios, which avoids roaming fees. Once done, make sure to manually turn Wi-Fi back on. Many devices allow Wi-Fi while remaining in flight mode. Next, scan for the airplane's network or your approved hotspot and keep your login or card ready for purchase. This immediate sequence protects you from charges, yet lets you access internet services. So begin here and proceed to connect. After Wi-Fi is on, you choose the onboard SSID or your personal hotspot and connect. Once connected, open a browser so the captive portal appears, then log in with your account or pay the fee. Make sure to use low data settings and close heavy apps because onboard links are often slow and metered. If you need secure traffic, enable a VPN before passing sensitive info and monitor downloads so you don't hog bandwidth for others. To finish, verify the connection by loading a lightweight web page or refreshing your app. Once content arrives, you're online. Download any emails, maps, or media you'll need offline and disable auto-sync to conserve bandwidth. When you're done, leave flight mode on if you prefer no cellular, or turn it off after landing. If things go wrong, first toggle Wi-Fi off and on, then reconnect. If that fails, restart the device. This often clears portal or IP issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.